welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a planner accessory haul video. Yeah, but before we get started into that video, and don't forget to subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a little planner haul. I'm obsessed with planners, so I've been doing I've kind of leaned out of it for a while, and now I'm like winging myself back into doing planner stuff. So I did like a little shopping thing throughout this whole week. Like I just bought a bunch of stuff throughout the week. And a lot of the stuff I get, like I don't buy planner stuff unless it's on sale. Like I'm not gonna spend a bunch of money on like stationery stuff. Like I only do it if it's on sale. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys everything I got. And I'll try to name the stores where I got it from. So I'll start with Hobby Lobby. So, I got a lot of stuff by the Paper Studio, and all of this was actually on 50% off. So, this was $4. I got these cute paper clips for my agenda, and it was originally $4, and I got it for like $2 something. So, super cute. I love them. I can't wait to put these in my planners. Then the next one I got was these holographic bows from Paper Studios. These were $4 as well. Got it for $2. So I have like a little coffee clip in here because I already used one of them in my planner because I was too excited. So I got this, super cute. Then I got these agenda like folders for the personal size planner. This is for my Kate Spade. And this was $3.99 and I got it for $2. You got this. This is like what it comes with 3, and these are what all the prints look like. And then the next thing I got was like a schedule list for like cleaning, laundry, all that, just to check it off, which I do all of this stuff a lot. So I just picked me up a packet of these for my personal planner, and this was $5, but I got it for $2.50. The next thing I got was this hole puncher. I needed a hole puncher because I only have like the hand ones, but that was just getting too difficult. And I have a pocket size planner and a personal size planner, and this adjusts to the pocket, personal, and the A5 size. So I thought it would be perfect. This originally was $15 and I got it for $8. Super cute, heavy duty. I love it. I'm so happy that everything was on clearance. I'm actually thinking about going back to Hobby Lobby today and picking up some more stuff. The next thing I got was this ruler, and then it also came like with a bookmark, but I already had that in my planner. And this was I think like $4 and I got it for like $2, and this is actually from Michaels. Then now going into Michaels, these two are from Michaels. I got this sticker book from Michaels, and this one has so many cute stickers. It's by the Happy Planner. These stickers are usually $20 and I got it for $10 because I had a 50% off coupon that I decided to use. So look at that. These are the stickers it has in it. Like so many. It comes with 1,657. So many cute stickers. I love this sticker book. Like this one's my favorite. Then the last but not least is this sticker book from the Happy Planner. This is like a travel one, which I'll use this for my personal planner because this one will only fit in my personal. So yeah, I got this. And this was I think $5 and I got it for like $3 because it had 40% off. So yeah, super cute. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it was pretty quick, but yeah, didn't get that much stuff like I thought I did. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I said before, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And click the video at my end slate if you want to watch my previous vlog or video. I'll see you next time. Bye.